Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Ada here again, and we have another cleaning motivation here. If you're new on here, welcome. My name is Ada and I do everything cleaning motivation, organization, home decor, vlogs, motherhood, lifestyle, a whole lot of entertaining, interesting thing. Okay, so if you're new here, welcome, and please do go ahead and click the subscribe button if this looks like the type of content that you love watching. Do go ahead and click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So today we are going to be cleaning up again. So I started off by folding out the laundry that I have. I just folded that out and then just took everything to everybody's wardrobe or dresser and all of that. And also, you guys, if you have any video suggestion or idea, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have anything that you want me to do, I have so many videos that I'm definitely going to upload. So many, I'm so excited for them. I have so many things, and I'm also like incorporating a whole lot, to make everything more interesting. So I just sorted out the laundry and just cleaned out everything. More like sorting them out. The ones I put on the side that are not folded are the ones that will be going to be put hanging up, and then the other ones are the ones that will go in the dresser. So that way it's easier. Sometimes I take the laundry basket upstairs depending on how full it is. Sometimes I take it upstairs, sometimes I just do it down, sort them out down here and then take them upstairs. So guys, if you've gotten this far, thank you so much for watching. Of course, keep watching, but I'm just saying thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this clean with me video. Yeah, so it's, I don't know why, I don't know why do children make so much mess, and why does the house even have to get dirty for you to start cleaning them? I don't even understand. Like, that doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. And you guys, I'll definitely be bringing out, I'm trying to stay consistent this year on YouTube. Like, this year I said I'm going to be as consistent as ever. I know I think I missed 2 uploads or 3, maybe 3. Yeah, I think I missed 3 uploads now, because I try to upload twice a week, which is Tuesdays and Fridays. Yeah, so but then here I am, I'm posting, so we do go ahead and enjoy it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video, very important to me. Share my video, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to finish up this video, finish watching it, don't go nowhere. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.